let's take a polynomial that's almost in factored form. Let's find all the real zeros and write it completely in factored form. So here, what degree polynomial do we have? We've got 1 right there. This is a degree 3 polynomial. So far we're degree 4, right? If you were to multiply these two factors together, you'd end up with x to the 4th plus something. All right, so we've got 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and then this factor is 5x, 6x. So if we were to multiply everything through, you'd end up with, there's a 2 right there. So 2x to the 6th plus maybe something x to the 5th and something x to the 4th, right? But the highest power is x to the 6th. So it's a degree 6 polynomial with a leading coefficient of 2. All right, let's find all of the zeros, all of the real zeros. So because it's in factored form, I can immediately tell that when x is equal to minus 1, that factor is going to be, sorry, not positive 1, minus 1. That factor is going to be 0, thus the entire equation is going to be 0. So we've got 1, 0 right there. This is a degree 3 polynomial. There could be 3 zeros here. Let's see if we can find them. X cubed minus 4x, when is that going to be 0? Everything has an x in it, so I take x squared minus 4. So there's one of the zeros. And then this factor is going to give us 2 more zeros, because I can factor x squared minus 4 as x minus 2, x plus 2. So x is equal to 2, and x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so far we have 4 zeros. And we've talked about everything except for this factor here. What's going to make this 0? So here, I think I want to use the quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation tells me opposite of b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times a, so that would be 4 times 2, that's 8, times c, that's 8 times 5 is 40. So opposite b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. So what do we get here? 9 minus 40. Well, that's a negative number. In fact, minus 31. But either way, I can't take the square root of a negative number. So even though this is a second degree polynomial, it never hits your x-axis. There are no real zeros inside that second degree polynomial. So f of x has 4 real zeros. Minus 1, 0, 2, and minus 2.